Meaning of dehydrate.
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 Dehydrate. The term dehydrate refers to the process of removing water from a substance or material. When an object or substance is dehydrated, it loses moisture, which can lead to changes in its physical and chemical properties. The result of dehydration can vary depending on the material or object being dehydrated. In general, dehydration can cause shrinkage or hardening of certain materials, such as food products. Dehydration can also be used as a preservation method, as it reduces the amount of moisture available for bacterial growth.